In this video, we are going to learn how to create beautiful animated circle inspired slides in PowerPoint. So, let's start. Click on right button, go to format background, click on gradient fill, select gradient color, go to insert, click on picture. I have downloaded a picture from Google, select and insert it. Go to insert, click on shapes, select oval, drag it, select color from shape fill, shape outline, make it no outline, click on gradient fill, select each one and fill it with color. And then increase the transparency. Go to insert, select text box, write thank you here. Select and pick a new font for your text, make it bold, increase the size and change the color. Go back to insert, select text box, write everyone here, select and pick a new font for your text, increase the size and change the color. Press Ctrl Shift and drag to the left and reduce the size. Press Ctrl Shift and drag to the right and reduce the size. Press Ctrl Shift and drag upwards, reduce the size. Press Ctrl Shift and drag to the left. Duplicate the slide, zoom out the slide and set the shape outside the slide like this. And take the slide to number 1. Duplicate the slide and set the shapes outside the slide like this. Go to insert, click on shapes, select rectangle, drag it. Select color from shape fill, shape outline, make it no outline. Click on right button, go to format shape and increase transparency. Select picture and increase size so that there will be slight zoom effect in slide. Select shape, go to format, align center and align middle. Go back to insert, select text box, write mountain here. Select and change the color and pick a new font for your text. Increase the size. Go to character spacing and select very loose. Center your content. Go back to insert, select text box. Add mountain information here. Select and increase size. Go to insert, select oval from shape. Size 2.5 cm and 2.5 cm. Select color from shape fill, shape outline, make it no outline. Press right button and select edit text. Insert A here. Change the color. Increase size. Make it bold. Go to format. Select middle from align. Click on group and select group. Press Ctrl Shift and drag to the down and add a new information. Remove A, insert B. Press Ctrl Shift and drag to the down. Remove B, insert C and add a new information here. Select all groups and select distribute vertically by align. Select all and copy with Ctrl C and go to the second slide and paste. Now take the bottom of the slide from the text box and set it like this with all the slides selected. Go to transition and select Morph. Now click on slideshow. So see, our thank you slide is ready. If you found the video helpful, then do subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.